This conference will now be recorded.
All right, guys, real quick, I'm just going to do this just like little recap and preview for tomorrow. It'll be real fast. So right here, here's the SPX 120. Obviously, it finished in that bear flag that we were talking about, but again, my level is still 29.38. If we open below that, I will look to get short, and if we break that 29.38, my first target is 29.30. That's about the top of this here demand, and then below that is 29.25. And then if we get through that, we don't have much until around 29.06. 29.06, there's going to be quite a bit of support. I mean, we still have to look at all of these gaps to fill. There's quite a few of them. So that's what I'm looking on downside. As far as upside, I'm looking for a 29.49. That's this zone right here. If we get through that, then we're looking up towards that 29.58 level we've been talking about. That's right, this white line, and then the 29.65 is this red, and then we all remember like all the lines. It goes 72, 65, and then 58. So those are the levels we're watching for upside. Upside trigger is going to be 29.49. Downside trigger is going to be 29.38 coming into tomorrow. And then where's another? Here's a stock I was looking at. Here's the shop. Shop, we closed right around 313. And again, my trigger for downside is rejection of 315. But if we get through 315 tomorrow and we're looking at upside, then I'm targeting 330. And I will look at calls if we break through that 315 level. That's what I'm looking at on shop. And then what else? I think Google was something else I was looking at. Not on the 120, it was on the 15. 1 second. All right, yeah. Here's what I'm looking at on Google. Obviously, it's pretty expensive to pay the premium, but if you can't afford it, these white lines I'm looking at as my trigger. So for downside, it's under 20 or 12.06, which is literally exactly where we closed. Like we closed round number print. But under that, then I will look for 1200, then 1193. Those are my downside targets on this 12.06 break. And you can see the levels I'm getting that. I'm getting that 12.06 right from here, this congestion right here from the 6th through the 11th. And then target 1, that 1200, that congestion from the 11th. And then target 2 would be 1193 from the 9th, that low on the 9th. And then through 1211, I'm looking at upside target of, actually this right here is going to be a little bit of a problem. What is that? 1216. Let me draw something in there. 1216, we had a lot of congestion there on the 24th. So, but still upside trigger, 1211. I'm looking on Google. I will look to 1216 target 1, 1221 target 2, and 1231 target 3. That's what I'm looking at on Google, and triggers are 1211 and 1206. So that's something else I will be watching tomorrow along with shop and SPX, obviously. All right, I will catch you guys later.